Now let's discuss about the tuple. Tuple is also one of the data structures of Python, which will immutable in nature, where list was a mutable. So tuple having a ordered, it's order preserved immutable sequence of elements. Once created, its element cannot be changed, right? That means it's a immutable nature. Added, removed, defined with the parenthesis, square bracket, adjust, commas. So these are the kind of basic definition. If you want to create a tuple, so tuple will be having a like parenthesis like 10 comma 20. So if it is having a square bracket, that means it will be list. If it is a parenthesis, that means it is a tuple only. And here we are keeping the colors red, green and blue, and single 40 comma, so that is single elements tuple. So we may write a single element tuple, integer type of tuple and string type of tuple. It could be any type. Indexing also we can use indexing and slicing. So suppose if you want to get chords 0, so chords 0 is nothing like a one tuple type of array which are having a two elements 10 comma 20, so it will give me a 10. Now print colors of 1 comma 1 colon 3, that means slicing. So starting with the one index, right? So that we are applying to the colors. So first it will skip, start from the second, so green and blue. So green and blue it will get, because it is saying give me a value between 1 and 3 index, right? Now unpacking means I want to store this tuple into a single variable. So we are having a coordinates, like chords, it's kind of arrays which are having a 10 comma 20, right, which we want to store into x comma y. So x will be a first element that will having a 10 values, and y will be stored like 20. So if you display here x equal to x and y equal to y, so we do get x equal to 10, y equal to 20. That is called unpacking. That means from the tuple we can directly store the value to a variable without using the loop. Here we are not using any kind of loop, it is iterating directly. So from the coordinates it will directly give me a properties it's ordered, preserve insertion order, immutable, cannot be modified, allow duplicates, yeah, faster than list, yeah, definitely faster than list because it's a immutable nature, and can be used as a dictionary key. So whenever you want to use dictionary key, we can go with the tuple because it's immutable and key cannot be modified. So tuple will not be modified. So for that purpose we can use tuple as a key of the, what I can say, like dictionary key. And these are the feature tuple based list. So list and tuple, mutable, list is a mutable, tuple is not a mutable. Syntax, list will be created through the square bracket and tuple will be created with the parenthesis. Speed, list will be having a slower and tuple will be having a faster. Dictionary key, list cannot be used, tuple can be used as a list dictionary key. Sorry, as a dictionary key we can use the tuple. Use case, dynamic fixed data, name tuple,